Hi there, once again, it's Tricks and Giggles with another hotel room tour. This time we are at the Hotel Atwater on Catalina Island in California. It's about a 45-minute boat ride from Long Beach, which is about 45 minutes from Los Angeles. Anyway, so this is the top suite in Hotel Atwater. This is the Williams Suite, and it has about 720 square feet of living space. You just saw a living room that has a pull-out couch, and it has a separate bathroom for guests. Love that wallpaper. And then we come into the master bedroom, which has a king bed, and those are little Juliet balconies, meaning there's only about 6 or 8 inches to stand out on, but overall, just great decor, really comfortable, nice finishes. The room goes for about $1,000 a night in the peak season, which is summer. Um, But there are other rooms available that are much less and are just as cute looking too. You can read more about that on tricksandgiggles.com. Once again, this is the Williams Suite at the Hotel Atwater on Catalina Island.